Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. And this is my friend Casey's house. He decided to become a landlord. He got inspired watching my videos. We did some walkthroughs on it when we first got started. And we're going to talk about if landlording is a real job while we see this house. It's available for rent. It's over 4,000 square feet and it's beautiful. A lot of people say I should get a real job. Let's see what Casey thinks about that. So you've been working on this for 6 months now?
Longer than that, I feel
Longer than that, you feel like? It hasn't been that much longer. When did you start?
It's been almost a year now.
Dude, okay. Well, it's been almost a year. All right.
Obviously I've got 3 going on.
Look at this house. This is beautiful. How many bedrooms?
It's 4 bedrooms, 4,200 square feet.
4,200 square feet and 4 bedrooms.
Dedicated bedrooms.
This is clearly where you'd put your kitchen table right underneath the chandelier or the dining room table. Nice dining room kitchen. How much are you going to rent this for?
$2,400.
$2,400. How much would it cost where you live to rent a over 4,000 square foot, 4 bedroom, luxuriant house with a rooster? I'm glad you kept the rooster.
Yeah, all new appliances, granite countertops.
Look at this. So you got a living room and kind of a den here with the balcony. Very cool. Look at this bathroom. We tried to save the old tub, but it was unsalvageable, right? It was too rusted out. This is a vintage house. So cool. Hi, Shane. Let's keep going. We got another bedroom back here with a big bathroom. Cool shower. Hi, Shane.
Yeah, I was going to do a closet there, but decided not to.
Yeah, I could see where there's enough space if you wanted to add a closet in later. And you got a closet there, so. Cool, look at all the storage. I love this house. How old is this house? It was 19 teens?
Yeah, early 1900s.
Early 1900s. So cool. So you bought this with the 2 houses behind it. You're almost finished with the last one as well. It sounds like you're ready to be done with this.
I am ready for break.
It always sounds so easy to do landlord work, right?
It's not easy.
Not easy at all. Would you consider it a real job? I have so many people that say I should get a real job,
Listen, I was a lineman
right?
for years and years and years, and climbing poles, working with electricity, and this by far is much more chaotic and stressful.
And you don't even have any tenants hardly to manage it.
No, I've got one that pays her bills all the time. So
Hi, Shane. 3rd bathroom. Very nice. Yeah, landlording is real work. It is real challenging work.
and it's your money.
Yeah.
That's the thing, is it's not, you don't come to work and you just get a paycheck. You don't get
Right.
paid until you complete the job.
Cool. So you got a whole separate, and you did this yourself.
Yeah.
You were so intimidated by this out here, I remember.
Yeah, it was managed, so.
Look at that. This is so cool. This is a nice older neighborhood. Big trees everywhere. Absolutely love it. Cool. If you want to rent this place or interested in it, send me a message. I'll get you in touch with Casey. I think it would make him very happy if he could find a tenant for this place very soon. How much would this go for where you live?